Hi students, last class we studied spherical lens. Okay, we studied two types of spherical lens. One is concave and another one is convex lens. And this also we can call biconvex lens and biconcave lens, because it is biconvex lens, because it is part of two spherical surface. So two thin parts in that lens, so it is called biconvex lens. Simply we can call convex lens. In the case of concave lens, this also we can call biconcave lens. Simply we can call it as concave lens. Okay, just we will recall the last class that we studied optical center. What is optical center? Optical center is the center of that lens. Okay, center of that lens. This portion we can calculate or we can identify this method. Here center of curvature C1, center of curvature C2. Okay, we already said that this lens is part of two spherical surface. How we will find out that optical center? It is very simple. If we draw a line from C1 to C2, okay, a line through C1 to C2, this line is called principal axis. Principal axis, and here we can find the center of this lens. So we can say that optical center. And what is the diameter of this circular edges? Diameter of this circular edges is called aperture. We can represent A, B. Okay, which lens is one? The edges are thinner and the middle portion is thicker. Then we can call it as convex lens, and edges are thicker and the center is thin, then we can call it as concave lens. Convex, concave, convex and concave. Okay, then we will discuss about principal focus and focal length in lens. Okay, first we will discuss with the concave lens. Okay, this is the concave lens, and this line is principal axis. What is principal axis? Is a line passes through the center of curvatures of two surface C1 and C2. Okay, here C2, here C1. Okay, if a line passes through this concave lens, is parallel to the principal axis, then it will diverge it will diverge. It will diverge. So the light will diverge in concave lens. So it is called diverging lens. So concave lens also called as diverging lens. Then if you make an imaginary line, continuing this light, this imaginary line passes through a particular point in principal axis. You just recall the mirror, in the case of mirror, same like that. If there are more parallel lights, then it will diverge. Then the imaginary line passes through a certain point of principal axis. That point is called focal point. Focal point. F1. This is a focal point, and that we can say principal focus. Principal focus. In the case of concave lens, concave mirror or convex mirror, there is only one focus or one principal focus. But in the case of concave lens or convex lens, there are two focal points or principal focus. How it we will discuss. Okay, I am drawing another one concave lens. Then the principal axis. Then the light is passing from this side, then diverging the light, and this imaginary line will intersect in one point, this side in the place of C2. Okay, then diverging line will give an intersection with a particular point. This point we can say it as F2 or principal focus. So these are the first principal focus and second principal focus. So in concave lens and convex lens also same like that, we will discuss later. Here in the case of lens, there are two principal focuses are there. First principal focus and second principal focus. What about the convex lens? In the case of convex lens, it will converge. The light will converge in the case of convex lens. So convex lens we can call as converging lens, and concave lens we can call as diverging lens. Okay, I hope you got that idea. Then in the case of mirror, we studied some rules for forming image formation. In the case of concave or convex mirror, we studied some rules, certain rules for image formation. Same like that, here also some rules are there. Okay, we will discuss in the case of concave lens. Later we will discuss convex lens. Okay, what are the rules here? Okay, consider a concave lens. Consider a concave lens and a principal axis. Then first one we already knew that the parallel light ray will diverge. Parallel light ray will diverge, and the imaginary line will be focus at the focus of that lens. Okay, it will intersect at the focus of the concave lens. second case. Second case, this is a principal focus, principal axis. This is the optical center. Optical center. We can consider O. Okay. If the light ray passes through that optical center, it will not divert. It will not divert. The light will pass to the optical center. It will not divert. What is the third rule? In the case of concave lens, what is the third rule? Third rule is the deviated light will goes parallel to the what is the third rule of concave lens? The deviated light will goes parallel to the principal axis. The divergent light will comes to concave lens and passes through the concave lens. Then the light will goes parallel to the principal axis. Parallel to the principal axis.